How to access restricted content in Reddit. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you should know that you cannot directly turn on or have access to restricted content on Reddit directly in the Reddit app itself. In order to do so, you need to head over to any of the web browser and move into the official site of reddit.com. Once you're in the official page, make sure you are logged into a specific account. Now, once you have been logged into your account, what you gotta do is head over to your profile at the top right corner of the screen. At the bottom, you need to move into Settings. Once you're inside your settings, swipe left and head over to Preferences. In this page, you can see the option of Show Mature Content. If this option is toggled off, then you will not be able to see the restricted content. So you simply need to toggle on this feature and then click on Yes, I'm over 18. Once you have enabled this option, now you will have access to all of the restricted content on Reddit, and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.